What makes movies truly magical? Is it the breathtaking visuals, the captivating performances, or the music that steers our emotions? Silent, an animated short film. Take us on a journey through the history of cinema, showing us the profound impact of sound on storytelling. Our story begins with a street performer and his young assistant, entertaining passerby with a simple yet charming puppet show.
They rely solely on movement, expression, and visual storytelling, just like the earliest silent films did. But soon, they stumbled upon an abandoned theater and a strange contraption, a symbol of cinematic innovation. As they bring it to life, their world transforms, mirroring the evolution of film itself. Through breakthrough animation, Silent take us through the defining moment of film history, the exaggerated motions of early silent cinema.
The inspiring transition to synchronized sounds and immersive experience that modern sound design brings to storytelling. With the addition of sounds, their act transform, the music swells, and the sound effects bring their story to life. And suddenly, the audience is drawn into a entirely new experience.
This beautifully reflects how the invention of synchronized sound revolutionized the film industry, making storytelling more powerful and emotionally resonant. As the journey ends, the street performer and the girl live, forever changed by the magic they witness. Just like them, we are reminded of how far cinema has come, the timeless wonder that sound and storytelling bring to our lives.
Silent is more than just an animated short. It is a love letter to cinema, to the visionaries who shaped it, and to the future generations who will continue pushing its boundaries. Because, in the end, movies are just not about what we see. They are about what we feel.